This is a quick peek into using our photo resizing tool at thelocketsisters.com. Once you have selected a design, you will click the Choose File button, and from there you can pick whatever image you want to upload for your locket. This lighter opening that you can see as a rectangle can be moved around at the edges or swiveled using that red circle button in the top right corner. Once you've found a position that looks good, you just click the orange button down at the bottom. You can do the same thing for the second side. If you'd like a second photo, you can always submit a second one later on by sending your Locket back in. And you'll go through the same process where you move the edges, you can swivel it around. There's a button on the bottom to turn it 90 degrees left or right. And once you've decided what looks good, you'll click that checkbox again and then continue through the ordering process, which is essentially adding to cart and checking out. If you have any questions, reach out to us.